Today we're going to look at how to use a ruler and compass to construct a square root, or per Euclid's Element Book 2, Proposition 14, how to construct a square so that its area equal to a given rectangle here. So here A is the side length smaller than B, the other side length. We need a square so that the side length of square is going to be square root of AB. Now we're going to do all the steps with ruler and compass. So what we do here is we're going to extend AD so that the element here DE equal CD. Okay, so this segment equal to the side length A. So in other words, AE would be A plus B. Now we can also use ruler and compass to find out the center or the midpoint of AE. Let's call it O, right? This O here would be the midpoint. Now what is OE? OE would be half of AE, right? So OE would be this. What is OD here? OD is going to be OE minus the length DE, which is A. So in other words, OD equals this. Now if you do the algebra, this is actually the same as B minus A over 2. We're going to use this fact later. Alright, so once we have O, we're going to make a circle. Okay, again, using ruler and compass, we can make a circle here, centered at O, with OE as the radius. Okay, radius is going to be A plus B over R, right? So let's do that. Let's construct a circle, centered at O, radius R. Okay, so now with this, we claim that if we extend DC and meet the circle at F, yeah, so this F point would give us the length DF would be the exactly square root of AB. Okay, that's the claim. So once you have DF, of course, you can use the ruler and the compass to construct a square out of it. Okay, so we were able to find a square root of a number using this method here. Okay, so let's do that. So here, let's see, we have, now how do we show that? Okay, so we're going to make the connection OF here. All right, let's do that. So in this rectangle here, ODF, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so what is OD? Earlier we know that is half of B minus A. What is OF? That's radius R, right? So let's do that. This is Pythagorean theorem. We're going to plug in the numbers. OF equal R, OD equals the earlier expression here, right? And do some algebra. R, what is R? R is B plus A over 2, and square root would be this. Okay, and then DF would be the difference, right? And if you do the algebra, that's going to be AB. In other words, we have shown that DF is exactly square root of AB. Alright, so you may ask, what if I have a number x, right? 9 segment x, how do I find square root of that? You can construct a rectangle with side lengths of x and a, right? X and 1, right? So let a equal x, b equal 1. You're going to use these steps to construct a square root of any numbers here. Any number with given length, of course. Alright, please like and share.